What's up? In this video, we're going to be reviewing the top cases for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now. All right, so I got the top cases available for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I have 6 cases here. So I'm going to review them and show them to you one by one so that you can see how they look on the phone and so that we can determine the actual protection that they offer in the event of dropping your iPhone. All right, let's begin. All right, so first off, we have these top quality wooden custom cases, and these cases are made out of bamboo wood and they offer very good protection. The main reason why I like these cases so much is because you can customize and put whatever you want on the actual case itself. This is how the case looks like on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can actually get a wooden engraved case, which will look like this, and you can also get it printed on the wood as well, which will look like this. You can get any custom design printed on the back of your wooden case and it will be shipped right to you. All you have to do is on the website, when you're purchasing your wooden case, it will give you the option to upload whatever photo you want to upload, and they will be engraved onto the back of the phone case that you buy, and it will be shipped directly to you. Keep in mind, they offer cases for any model phone. So here we have for Galaxies, for all the new iPhones, even for older iPhones as well. It's all made out of real wood, and you can get creative and print or engrave whatever you want onto these wooden cases. So link's gonna be down below in the description if you want to get your customized wooden case for your iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max. And the other cool thing is that they will be shipped out in this nice little gift bag so that you can give it away as a gift to someone else if you choose to. So it will come in here inside the gift bag. So next up, we're going to review the strongest case out of all of the cases that we got, and it is definitely the Otterbox Defender Pro. The Otterbox Defender Pro comes with a belt clip holster, as you can see here. So in case you want to clip it onto your belt, and this case is a 2-part case. It has a rubber that goes around the plastic casing on the inside. So let's go ahead and remove the rubber first so we can place the iPhone in it and test it out. All right, so we're going to place the iPhone on the back part of the plastic case first, and then we're going to go ahead and place the top portion of the plastic on it. Go ahead and give it pressure on all sides so that all the clips can come together, and then once they have, we're ready to place the rubber part back on. And there you go, you have your iPhone 11 Pro Max in an Otterbox Defender Pro case. This is going to be one of the most protective and durable cases on the market, but it does make the phone a little bit bulky, and the phone is already big enough as it is, so just something you may want to consider if you don't like your phone to feel this bulky, but it will definitely guarantee great protection. And then we also have the belt clip holster, so if you ever want to just take it on your belt, you just flip this to the side and clip it right on, and you can use it like this, or you can also use it inverted with the screen facing outwards like this as well. All right, so next up, I wanted to review another Otterbox case that I like a lot, but that is not so bulky. So this one is actually one of the slimmest Otterbox cases available. So as you can see, it's a much slimmer Otterbox case. Let's go ahead and place it on the iPhone 11 Pro Max here. Clips on there perfectly, pretty tight on the phone. So it's like rubber and plastic as well. It keeps the phone feeling pretty slim and solid as well. It looks like it's gonna offer great protection as well, even though it's super slim, because it's tight around the corners and sticks out just a tad bit so that any way the phone drops, it will always be protected. Very nice Otterbox case here to choose from if you don't like your cases so bulky. You can also choose this one, which is the Otterbox Symmetry. So next up, I just had to get a clear case because a lot of us love the colors of our iPhones and the Apple logo, and we don't want to cover it. So this is a great high quality clear case that you can also choose, and it's a Tech 21 pure clear case. So the case is completely clear. It does have some little lining here on the sides, but it's a pretty solid case. It's like hard rubber, almost plastic feel to it. Once again, this case keeps the phone pretty slim while also offering some protection around the edges as well. If you drop your phone, you should still be pretty safe with this one while still keeping a clear look to it so that you can enjoy the color of your iPhone and the Apple logo as well. The buttons also feel very nice as they stick out a little bit, and when you click on them, they feel super natural, like if you're clicking on the actual button itself. So Tech 21, high quality clear case that you can also choose for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Next up, we have another nice case that I also like a lot. It is part clear and part leather. So it's from a brand called Platinum. And there you go, check that out. So also offering very nice protection around the corners. Yeah, this one feels very good. It feels like a nice professional case. Still leaves the phone feeling very slim while at the same time offering great protection around the edges here. And you can still enjoy the color of your iPhone since it is clear up here. You can see the Apple logo and it has a nice leather feel down here towards the bottom. So very nice design here on this Platinum case while also offering great protection. So just another case to consider when choosing the best case for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. And let's go on to the next case and final case, which is also a Platinum case, but this one is a flip over wallet case. So for those of you that love the wallet cases, I had to review at least just one. This one is also from the same brand, Platinum. So here we go. We can take a look at it. It has a nice leather feel to it. It has slots right here for you to put your ID or credit cards or some cash. And let's go ahead and place the phone in it. So look at that. It's a nice professional case. Makes the phone a little bit big though, pretty bulky. For those of us that take our phones in our pockets, this is gonna make the phone that much bigger and a little bit more uncomfortable. But, you know, it does have a nice cover to it to keep it looking professional, although it does not have a magnet, so it will open up if you let it go. It does give it some slight protection around the edges here compared to other wallet cases that I've seen in the past. This one offers a little bit more protection, but it is still a wallet case and it doesn't protect it too much around the corners. So if you drop it, this case is the least likely to protect it from all of the other cases that I have reviewed for you. Since when you drop it, this can open up and it can land on the screen of the phone, and the protection around the corners isn't all that great. But if you are careful with your phone and you love wallet cases to keep your IDs and credit cards here on the side, then this is a case you're going to want to consider, as it does have a nice professional feel and look to it as well. So these are all of the top cases available right now for your iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max. So comment down below and let me know which case is your favorite one, if you already own one of these cases, and go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps me out a lot. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.